Hello, you are welcome to this super special masterclass training on how to use viral blogging to make $500 to $1,000 monthly on a consistent basis in 2019 and beyond by Ezinwa Anayo. Now, what are you going to learn? You are going to learn how to crush poverty and become a big boy that makes consistent $500 to $1,000 per month in 2019 and beyond using the viral blogging cash system. Preview of what earnings look like when you make use of the viral blogging cash system. Here you can see the earning for the last 30 days period, November 20th, 2018 to December 19th, 2018. The estimated earning is 2,281. And for this one, the second screenshot, you have 1,628 for the period of December. Now, to show you that these are no fake screenshots, go to hyperincome.com/live proof for a live login section into this very particular Adsense account. Now, here is a breakdown of the earnings. Using 360 naira per dollar for $1. For what you have here, you have 2,281. Now, if you multiply it by 360 naira, you get 821,307 naira. Now, for on the second screenshot where you have $1,628, if you multiply that by 360, it gives you 586,328 naira. And like I earlier told you, if you want a live login section into the Adsense account showing this money, go to hyperincome.com/live proof showing on the screen. Now, before we get started, I want you to switch off every form of distraction. Close your door, close all social media websites, put off your phone, or at best, put it on silent mode or vibration mode. Turn off your television or radio. Get a paper and a pen and take notes where necessary. And finally, pay rapt attention. Here's a little disclaimer. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme in any way. If you're a lover of get-rich-quick scheme, invest this today, get this tomorrow, this is not for you. And I need to also tell you that results are not typical, as there is no guarantee that you will make as high as what you see in the screenshots. Great deal of time and work is required at first to set the ball rolling, without which you cannot make those amounts you see in the screenshots. Now, great amount of money was invested in paid traffic to generate such results. And you need paid traffic to generate income using this method. The information following is for information and education purposes, and hence you should take it as such and seek for professional advice where necessary. Why is viral blogging the real deal? If you have been a blogger or you have read something about blogging, you should be conversant with search engine optimization. Or if you don't know, let me explain to you what search engine optimization means. When you need to find for something, or when you want to make a research, or when you want to look for information online, you go to Google and put in the particular keyword, how to make money online, how to do viral blogging. Now, when you do that, Google will now search all over the net and they will give you results. of websites or blog that contain the particular thing you searched for. Now, if a blog post is not optimized very well, it won't show on that search engine. Now, this kind of blogging, the viral blogging system, has nothing to do with search engine optimization. Also, it has nothing to do with those lengthy and boring crap blog posts they post online, which you spend time and hours researching and trying to write. It has nothing to do with keyword stuffing, keyword density, page ranking, and optimization. It also has nothing to do with domain authority, domain ranking, domain age, and also it has nothing to do with all this endless time waits on search engine for traffic. No, because what we are posting is viral content and we don't depend on search engine for traffic. We are using what? Strictly paid traffic. Now, what are the tools required to build a profitable viral blog? The primary thing, the first thing you need is what? A domain name. What is a domain name? A domain name is simply a name you want to be known for online. Something like google.com, facebook.com, twitter.com. Those are domain names. And for you to get one, you simply go to namecheap.com. For web hosting, you can get web hosting also from namecheap.com, or you can go to Bluehost. Web hosting is like something like a container or a house where you store your website files, like your blog content, images, videos, or whatever you put online. Web hosting is like something that holds it together. For your WordPress, you also need to install a WordPress blog site, and through your web hosting cPanel, you can easily install a WordPress blog site because that's the blogging platform we shall be using. And also, you need viral contents to post on your blog site, and like I earlier told you, you don't need to worry about researching, spending hours writing all those long SEO optimized blog posts. We are strictly dealing with viral content, and I will show you how to get those viral content. You need an Adsense account because as you're pushing traffic to your blog site, you need to create a way, an avenue through which to make money. And one of the ways you do that is what we call pay-per-click. And one of the best pay-per-click monetization option out there is what? Adsense. So you need an Adsense account, and you also need an advert budget. We are dealing with paid traffic, so you need to do what? Create a budget for adverts, which you are going to use to do what? Generate traffic, push traffic to your WordPress blog site, to your viral blog. Now, finally, what you need is a knowledge of the viral blogging cache system. This is a general concept of the viral blogging system. You need to create a WordPress blog site, publish viral content on it, then monetize your blog using Adsense. You push massive traffic to it, not just any kind of traffic, but high traffic from countries that have high cost per click. Now, when you have done that, you need to sit back, refresh your Adsense account, and watch the money do what? Pile up. This viral blogging cache system is responsible for earnings like this, like what you are seeing on your screen. This viral blogging cache system is what responsible for it. And to see a live proof of a login into this account, go for many more screenshots of earnings, go to hyperincome.com/live proof. Allow me to ask you these questions. Will you like to get similar results like this? Similar results like this, like you are seeing on your screen? Are you willing and able to learn and practice how the viral blogging cache system works? Will you rather have someone who has seen it all and done it all show you how to piece the viral blogging puzzle together so you can be able to make 300,000 naira monthly? Will you like an effective viral blogging system that sets you on a path to making $500 to $1,000 monthly on a consistent basis? Now, if your answer to those questions are yes, allow me to introduce you to the Viral Blogging Goldmine by Olujimi Metilelu. What exactly is this Viral Blogging Goldmine? The Viral Blogging Goldmine is a 10-module solid video training material on how to be widely successful doing viral blogging. The Viral Blogging Goldmine video training is a no-fluff, power-packed video course that takes you by the hand from ground zero and shows you how to make consistent $500 to $1,000 on a monthly basis. Here's what exactly you will learn in the training. Inside Module 1, you will be getting access to Introduction to Blogging. Inside Module 2, you will learn how to build your viral blog. Module 3 shows you how to research, rewrite and post content for your viral blog. Module 4 shows you how to monetize your viral blog. Inside Module 5, you get the traffic generation method to your viral content. And inside Module 6, you'll be exposed to hand-picked countries that convert, which you should target with your paid traffic. And for Module 7, you'll be exposed to how to track your revenue to avoid you making a loss, because you are paying for what? Traffic. In Module 8, you will get access to content creation templates, where you get templates you can easily modify and create content with. For Module 9, that's where you have the bonuses. Inside Module 10, that's simply what? Conclusion. Here is exactly what you are getting. The Viral Blogging Goldmine is a video course and is in a physical format. It will be shipped to you, and when it's shipped to you, you open it. Here is exactly what you'll be getting. What will be going on in your mind now is, what is the price for this course? Now, the course contains 10 modules. If you are assuming that each module goes for 5,000 naira, the whole modules now will be 5 times the 10 modules, which will be 50,000 naira. But the course does not go for such an amount. No, not even 20,000 naira. But because I want you to become successful, I'm making sure that I'm giving you a fair deal, which is secured at what? 15,000 naira for the Viral Blogging Goldmine course. But wait, here is a limited time offer which I'm giving you, as the deal just got even better and sweeter. For a limited time, you are getting the Viral Blogging Goldmine for 12,500 naira. The cost covers everything, including free shipping of the Viral Blogging Goldmine DVD to you. Yes, invest 12,500 naira today and you will get full access to the Viral Blogging Goldmine. Here is how to order for the Viral Blogging Goldmine. Go to this site, viralblogging.info/blognear. Now, when you get to the site, scroll down to where you see the image showing. And when you get there, click on this option, click here to pay right away. When you do that, it takes you to another page that looks like this. When it takes you to that page, fill in your details correctly. Your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and your full home address. When you are done doing that, you click on Pay Now. It now takes you to another page where you now put in your card details so you pay with your ATM card. Just rest assured you are paying through Paystack, and Paystack is a secured online payment merchant. Now, if you are not confident in making payment with your ATM card, you can make use of cash payment or mobile transfer, or whichever transfer you want to do, but make sure that the amount 12,500 gets to this bank name, Guaranty Trust Bank, to the account name Olujimi Metilelu, on this account number 012-188-2504. After you have made the payment, kindly send the following information to this email address showing on the screen: your full name, your first and your last name, this code BLOGNAIRE, make sure BLOGNAIRE, and then 2 reachable phone numbers which will use to contact you when the DVD arrives your location for you to come and collect it, the amount you paid, and proof of screenshot, something that shows that you actually paid 12,500 naira into the account, and of course your delivery address together with your local government area. Send all these details to blognaire@viralblogging.info. Make sure you do that after payment. Now, where do you go from here? Are you gonna close this video, go back and continue doing blogging the boring, tiring and conventional way which makes peanuts? Or would you not rather embrace this viral blogging system by getting your own copy of Viral Blogging Goldmine and change your income level? Now, imagine posting viral content, push paid traffic to it, and watch the money pile up to over $1,000. Let me ask you this question: what will you do with $1,000 every month on a consistent basis? Let me ask yet again: what will you do with $1,000 every month on a consistent basis? You'd probably rent a new apartment, buy a new car, give your parents a treat, take that vacation to choice destinations of the world, or get married to your heartthrob, or probably give your kids good education. The choice is simply yours: to continue on the income level you are now, or pony up this investment of 12,500 naira, invest in Viral Blogging Goldmine, and make enough money to take care of your financial needs, goals and aspirations. Go to viralblogging.info/blognaire and get started. Remember, if you snooze, you lose. So go ahead and order Viral Blogging Goldmine and be on your way to crushing poverty and become a big boy that makes consistent $500 to $1,000 per month in 2019 and beyond using the Viral Blogging cash system. So what are you waiting for? Head to viralblogging.info/blognaire and place your order right away. If there's any question you have, a comment, kindly use the comment box below, or you can reach me on the number 081-4454-8946, or send me an email on the email address showing on your screen. Thank you for watching this video to this very end. I really appreciate. Thank you.